Question number 4. It took 143 seconds for 50% of a particular substance to decompose. If the initial concentration was 0.06 molar and the decomposition reaction follows a second order kinetics, determine the value of the rate constant for this reaction. So, first thing that you need to know is that 140 seconds for 50% of this particular to decompose. What does that mean? So it means that this value is actually showing you the half-life of this reaction. So the half-life, okay, so and then you read again, this reaction follows the second order kinetic. So the half-life for the second order kinetic is equivalent to 1 over K times the concentration of the initial concentration. Alright, so given in the question, the half-life is equivalent to 143 seconds. So from here, you can get the value of K because the initial concentration, if the initial concentration is the 0.06. Okay, therefore from here you should get the value of K is equivalent to 0.1166 liter mole per second. Question number 5. The rate constant for a first order reaction, this reaction at 600 Kelvin is 2.2 times 10 to the power of -5 per second. What is the percentage of the SO2Cl2 decomposed on heating at 600 Kelvin for 90 minutes? Okay, according to this question, it states that it follows the first order reaction. So we need to write the formula for the first order reaction just like the previous question. So in the first order reaction, the A node is the initial concentration and the AT is the final concentration. So from here, it states that the rate constant, which is the value of K, so value of K is 2.2 times 10 to the power of -5. And then states here after 90 minutes, so your T is equivalent to 90. So same drill, initially the reactant will be 100%, so ln 1. So supposedly you should be able to calculate the value of AT. So from here you should get 0.1188. Therefore the concentration of AT is equivalent to equivalent to 0.8879. Okay, this is the value of the final concentration. Alright. Okay, looking back at the question, it states here is what is the percentage of the SO2Cl2 decomposed on heating at 600 Kelvin for 90 minutes. So you know that initially the concentration of your reactant is 100%, right? So equivalent to 1. So after 90 minutes, so the concentration, the final concentration is down to 0.8879. So what is it? So 1 minus 0.8879, we should get equivalent to 0.1121. Right. So from here you need to convert into percentage. So same drill. If you want to convert into percentage, so 1, 2, right? So you should get the percentage of this is equivalent to 11.21%. So this is your final answer for this question.
Alright guys, it's the end of the discussion for chapter 6. So next week will be your test 2, which consists of chapter acid and base, thermochemistry, and also this chapter, chemical kinetics. So I wish you all the best for your test 2. Please do your revision accordingly. You can watch again all my lecture videos and also the tutorial for your quizzes, so that it might help you to answer the question for your test 2 next week. So I wish you all the best. Good luck!